Welcome to our 7-night Italy and Greek island cruise on board Celebrity Edge. We started our journey flying from Terminal 1 at Manchester Airport, and once again we purchased the Security Fast Track, well worth the £5 each as it was extremely busy with it being a Saturday morning flight. Made it a much quicker experience, so plenty of time to grab a glass of wine. We landed at Fiumicino Airport, getting straight onto the air train to go through security, which was a breeze. Off to collect our luggage and find our celebrity transfers to the ship. It takes around an hour to reach the cruise port. Here we get our first glimpse of the stunning ship and our home for the next 7 days. On to security and check-in. The most efficient and easiest check-in we have had out of all of our cruises. Keep your boarding passes at hand as you will still need these to get on board the ship. Then on to your room where you can collect your room key card. Before we left home, we were successful on a move-up bid to upgrade our room, and our key cards weren't ready, so we had to go to guest relations. They were super efficient and friendly. Just a quick note on the lift system. Green light means it's going up and red light means it's going down. You'd be surprised at how many people don't realise this. On to a quick tour of our concierge class infinity veranda room. It is a lovely room all round, but the wardrobe could have done with a bit more space from the bed and more hanging storage. As for the controversial veranda, we like this, but we never closed off the doors and it made the room feel lighter and open. However, we wouldn't recommend deck 12 as you could hear the noise from the Ocean View Cafe in the early hours of the morning when the staff were cleaning and preparing for the day ahead. Here's a quick look at the Welcome on Board daily planning. One thing we would recommend is to pre-book your drinks package and specialty dining before you get on board. That way you won't miss out. On to the Ocean View Cafe to grab a bite of lunch. The best buffet we have ever used at sea. We use this most days and found it to be an open and inviting environment. Our first look and walk around this stunning ship. Time to get onto the magic carpet and enjoy a strawberry daiquiri. Make sure you bring your credit card if you wish to purchase anything from these high-end shops. There are 4 main dining rooms you can choose from. We pre-booked all our reservations via the app before we boarded. Today we visited Tuscan, the Italian restaurant, as it would be rude not to when leaving Rome. Every restaurant features the same mouth-watering menu that changes nightly. Plus each offers a selection of exclusive regional inspired dishes and drinks. The best bread basket we've ever had at sea. Off to continue our evening, starting with the Martini Bar, the beating heart of the ship. Dance the night away in the club. A late night walk around the ship to see it all lit up and enjoy a cocktail at the Sunset Bar to end our evening as we sail towards Greece.